But what's up, y'all? Today we got something a little different. We're doing some custom work. My man Dave right here. What's up, y'all? We about to do the what's that called? Like a glass vented hood on the carbon hood today. So if he fuck this up, this is on him. He paying for a new hood.
You gotta go to the office, sign the
You know
waiver.
what I'm saying?
We not responsible, bro.
We still got another. We're wrapping the car. It's like, no, we're not wrapping it. We got little details. You know, everybody probably got this by now, but late to the game. You know. Oh, I forgot my green wrap.
For the eye, right?
Yeah, for the eye, but yeah, let's see what I can do today. You know what I'm saying? I'll show you. Y'all gonna see the whole process. Yeah, and as in the background, still finishing up this SRT Durango. Motors in. Finish buttoning it up. We got the motor in. I guess you gotta finish with the wire harness. I really don't know. My new front end just came in. The 2023 facelift front bumper. Getting the headlights as well, so I won't have this ugly stuff. But yeah, man, almost done, man. By the time y'all see this video, the car probably done. Basically close the hood to where's it at. Then where we got that point at, we'll drill the hole right there. And basically put this
hole, like a small
yeah, like a pin, like a drill bit, and just put this exactly where that hole is at. That's probably like,
Or you can, once you get that mark where it is, you measure the supercharger that way, and then you close it where that mark is at. Measure that way, it'll be exact.
you got a crayon?
Go from the center of the supercharger. Right, go right in the center of the supercharger, in the center where the hood is. Once you close the hood, that bubble's gonna give it 2 inches off. That bubble's like 2-3 inches off.
See, that's all the way back here. You were.
Yeah, some, it's either, that's perfect. It's
where
either
you
you
want
show too much back or you're gonna show too much
Yeah,
front. So you
You
gotta
know where
just
you want
pick
that at?
like deer.
What do you think?
I like it deer. Like this. Type shit, yeah, like this. Where do I want that at?
And then get a tape measure on the center of this.
Nah, basically center.
Or you can
The
look
bolt?
at it.
The bolt?
Yeah, or the bolt. Perfect. Or the bolt where you want to find that at. And put the mark right here where that at.
Okay.
And then when you close the hood, get a mark crayon.
Yeah,
melt the
just
crayon
stick the
where all
crayon
that
and
is.
just close the hood
And
on
then
it.
put a paint chip on the mark on the crayon when you close it.
No, I was gonna say we could do it on this because we'll basically, like the leftover paint from there, it'll be on top and you just transfer it right there.
Right, transfer right over here and put a mark. Draw a mark right where that is. And a mark where this is. So when you close it, this hole where you drill, it's gonna match up with the hole where you just drilled.
Yeah, and just drill it.
And you can put on top, measure it out.
So the center of that basically, or it don't really gotta be the center because we could use the same point.
What here? Where the bolt is. That bolt is?
Yeah, we gotta like heat it up and melt it on there. They better put y'all on game, y'all. Too much game.
Put some paint on top of that crayon.
It's crayon ain't no game.
Ain't strong enough.
If you close it, it'll be offline.
Yeah, it'd be offline because it's too high up.
I got chrome.
Measure that.
So
It's too high. Once you close it, the hood's gonna be off.
let's see.
So what you think?
Just try. Let's see.
Hold on, let's make a mark. So I'm just gonna make a mark right here. That's right on top of the mark.
You want that one?
Now I was gonna just do where the mark
Okay.
is, and you know what I mean.
Alright.
What do you think? We could just drill a hole real quick and just it will match it.
Yeah, a little bit
Yeah.
when you close it, you'll see the mark right here.
Y'all niggas drone the whole thing?
Because we're gonna cut it out. Yeah, you better cut this.
Yeah, you
shit.
cut a hole out so you can see.
Just to see, yeah, right? You gonna pay for it, though.
Feel good? Can't even know, bro.
I don't know either. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. Nobody got this hood, bro. Not even like. I never seen it. Everybody got regular like not forged carbon, regular carbon. Cool. Everybody got nice hoods, but I never seen like a forged carbon red eye. This one?
Yeah, so you don't gotta like go through the thick part for now. It was like a small bit.
Yeah,
as
the
long as
hole,
the
the hole
ballpark.
not gonna be there regardless.
That's what I mean. The hole's not. You don't care about the hole.
Ready?
Yeah. Slow, cause it's carbon fiber. Don't fucking push.
That's it.
Light. Yeah.
Yeah, let me just put a bigger hole so you can actually see the black.
If you show me your hand, I'ma take it for what it is. Yeah, better put their ass inside, you care about them kids. Yeah, tryna check. I got bigger fish to fry. On the ground, I miss my guys. I ain't let no tear.
Should've got a car wash before I'm doing this, but what we got?
How you think it's gonna come out? You think you're gonna like the sticker more or the hood more?
I don't know, man. Y'all comment down below. Let me know. Is it a good mod or a bad mod? I mean, is this even a mod? No, it's not a mod.
I mean, I guess in appearance.
Detail.
Yeah.
Well, let me know what y'all think. This is right. Yeah, I'll let that red word on that.
What y'all think? Leave a comment down below.
Here goes nothing, boys and girls. The girls watching this.
Find those placements. That's where you like it.
Am I doing this wrong? Oh, let me know. Man. First, we thought we could do it, man. We really can't. It's like, my man Dave, he a painter and a rapper. Man, he probably really could rap too, like physically rap, like music. So, I'll let him, man. Yeah. Let's see how flimsy this hood is. Because, as you can see, we have no support here. Man, not that. Yeah, it's flimsy. Definitely gonna have to get hood pens now. Now we definitely a righteous boy, guys. I ain't gonna lie, I fucked up for cutting it right here. But we gotta cut this so we could glue the actual glass to the hood. Now we really got no support because we cut so much off the hood. I mean, it's good for, weight reduction. And on top of that, this is already a light hood. As you can see, it's carbon fiber. Hi. This shit. I'm gonna put 2 hood pins. Bang. Bang. Black. Can't see it. But definitely coming along though. You gotta cut this right here. Bang. Cut this. It's right here. Yep. Alright guys, we cut it a little short. Now this is take 2. So hopefully it's right this time. That's how short we got it. I mean, better short than extra. Shit. All right.
Better safe than sorry.
Better safe than sorry, yeah. This is basically gonna wrap around the hood, hides all the cuts and make it cleaner. Find this at like any auto parts store. Basically, you put this around it like that, and just put the hood on, put the glass under it. As I was saying, that trim makes everything, as you can see, like all that cut marks right there. You won't see that when you put the trim. Look how clean it looks in the factory. That good bend right there. It's gonna look good.
Got a paper plate that Honda Accord, got a mask on, he want slide. It one name drop in there, son, they make.
Alright guys, so we're taking the hood off right now. So we're taking the hood off. You want to hold it right here so we put the glass on. Yeah, almost cracked my windshield.
Crack the windshield and crack the corner.
Carbon fiber. Whoa, you tripping. We're about to test fit it. We're basically gonna put it on like this. We gotta cure for 24 hours. And I'm driving home with no hood.
If you show me your hand, I'ma take it for what it is. Yeah, better put their ass inside, you care about them kids.
This is what we got for the night, y'all. We'll drive home with no hood, letting the hood cure. So we got all this heavy stuff to hold it all down. So this the glue drying, said it needs 24 hours. But yeah, this is some things that we got done today. Got the green eye on the SRT. So it's the green eye Hellcat. Green eye emblem right here. We did do the cat logo on the car on both sides. Finish that, and yeah, so once the hood dry tomorrow, I'll come back and I'll show y'all the hood. Do this right now, just letting it dry. So I'm gonna rock out tonight, take the car home with no hood. Hopefully I don't get in trouble. Good morning, y'all. It's the next day. Well, it's not even the morning, we're good afternoon. It's almost 2 o'clock now. As you can see, driving around with no hood since last night. We let the hood dry overnight with the glue. So I'm on my way back to the garage now to go pick up the hood. Probably slap that on. Show off the new hood. There's a meet tonight, so what you think? Should I pull up to that meet and show off? Or I don't know. This meet is in Westchester. To be honest, it's usually a corny meet. I went there a few times and it wasn't giving like the best experience. It's never like a packed meet or nothing, so it's like, I guess, I don't know. Let's see. If I had time today, I'll check it out. If not, I'm just gonna forget about it. But yeah, I'll show y'all the hood once I get there. Done.
What you think?
Nice, looks good.
Not bad.
Yeah, that's cool. Hood is on, y'all. This is how it look. See everything. So yeah, this the hood, guys. This the decal. Yeah. Just gonna wrap this video up. See y'all next time. Thanks for watching.
If you show me your hand, I'ma take it for what it is. Yeah, better put their ass inside, you care about them kids. Yeah,